Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss about admixtures. See, admixtures are the materials other than the basic ingredients of concrete. It means cement, water, and aggregates, and are added to the concrete mix immediately before or during the mixing. So these are used to improve or give special properties to the concrete in the fresh or harder state. So it it means the aggregates are added to the concrete either in the fresh. It means when we add, whenever we may add, but they give some special properties to concrete either in fresh stage or either in harder stage. And the use of admixture should accelerate the rate of setting and hardening of cement, and also it should also make the concrete waterproof, acid proof, etc. It means they give some special properties to concrete, so that's why they are called as admixtures. I will explain you. Dipti. And now I'm going to discuss about grades of concrete. According to Indian standard specifications, it means IS 456 2000, the concrete mixes are designated into seven grades: M10, M15, M20, M25, M30, M35, and M40. Understand? So, in the designation of a concrete mix, the letter M refers to the mix, and the number either 10, 15, or 20, it refers to the characteristics compressive strength. Understand? So, now we will discuss about these grades and what the ratios. We will discuss about them. Grades of concrete. So we know that the Indian standard IS 456 2000 has been classified concrete into seven grades. So they are M10, M15, M20, M25, M30, M35, M40. Understand? So these are the grades given by Indian standards. Okay, so the designation of the grade, it means M refers for the mix and the number refers to the characteristic compressive strength of the mix. And for example, in M25 means M is nothing but mix and M25 is nothing but the characteristic compressive strength of the mix or of the that particular concrete. Understand? And so the concretes are mainly divided into two categories. First is the ordinary concrete and the controlled concrete. One more thing you remember, that concretes are two types: ordinary concrete and next one is the controlled concrete. Okay, na? So ordinary concrete means the concrete for which we did not conduct any preliminary tests. They are called as ordinary concrete. And the concrete for which we can conduct a preliminary test, they are called as controlled concrete. And in these mixes, M10, M15, M20, M25 come under ordinary concretes. It means M10, M15, 20, and 25. These are all come under ordinary concretes. And the mixtures M30, 35, 40, and one more is there 50. So M50 also nowadays it is there. M50 has been introduced. Okay, now so these are all called as controlled concretes. So that is nothing but ordinary concrete and controlled concretes. And each and every ratio contains the concrete is nothing but the combination of water, cement, fine aggregate, and coarse aggregate. Understand? And so for each and every grade of concrete, their proportions will be changed. Understand? And so what are these properties and what are the uses? Now we will discuss. Understand? And so first one is the M10 concrete. So and its ratio is 1:3:6, and it can be used for mass concrete. It means it can be used for abutments, piers, etc. And the next one is the M15 concrete. So its ratio is 1:2:4. And it can be used for RCC works, normal RCC works. It means reinforced cement concrete works like slabs, columns, beams, walls, etc. It means like slabs, beams, columns, walls, etc. And next one is the M20. Its ratio is 1:1.5:3, and it is used as water retaining structures like reservoirs, columns, and piles. Columns. And the next one is the M25. So this is the grade, and its proportion is 1:1:2. 1:1:2, or one more is there. 1:4:8. 4:8, and it is used for long span arches and highly loaded columns. And the next one is the M30 grade, and its ratio is 1:5:10. Sometimes 1:6:12, and it is used for mass concrete foundations. Understand? No? So, and the next one is the M35 and the M40. M40, they don't have any specified ratios, but these are used for post-tension pre-stressed concrete. So these are the various grades of concrete given by Indian standards like M10, M15, M20, M25, M30, M35, M40, and recently M50 also has been introduced. Okay, now. So these are their ratios, like M10 means 1:3:6, M15 means 1:2:4, M20 means 1:1.5:3, and M25 means 1:1:2 or 1:4:8, and M30 means 1:5:10 or 1:6:12, and also M35, M40. They don't have any specific ratios, but we have to design. It means we have to make mixed design for the characteristic strength of 35 or 40. 35 or 40. Okay, now. So these are all the ratios and their what to say purposes or uses of the various grades of concrete. Understand or no? So thank you very much.